My name is Farah Khalid and I'm a chef and owner of Curry Corner. I came to Arizona because my younger brother, he asked me to open up a restaurant in Arizona because there was not a Pakistani restaurant at that time. Looking at my passion for food, I was very excited. My son helps me a lot because in my son I have seen that passion and the same, labor, hard work. We have 4 provinces in Pakistan. So we are introducing all 4 provinces food. Like chicken karahi. I use that chicken boneless with a little bit ginger garlic and a little bit tomatoes, oil, salt, pinch of chili, black pepper. I cook it for like 10-15 minutes. And then in the end, I put some yogurt and sliced ginger and serranos and a little bit cilantro on the top. The chicken tikka masala, which is one of the most popular dish of my restaurant. Use the tikka masala sauce, grill tandoori chicken boti. We cut it into pieces, we put that into a sauce and a little bit cream at the end and a little bit methi leaves, and that's how we made that. In the shish kebab, we use the garam masala, we use ginger garlic, cilantro, a little bit salt, mix it up and we make it on the skewer. I feel very proud. You have to put all your effort in your food, your passion in your food. Always keep the traditional values. That's the labor of love, and that's what I want to do.